Evadeen Scarlett, assistant coach, Cavalier.
Mr. Scarlett, the team, in my analysis, made some bad decision, especially in the final third. Also, when they are attacking in own half. Tell us your thoughts on the game.
I think my team, played badly defensively tonight. We conceded 3 goals from 3 simple mistakes, which cost us the game tonight. But nonetheless, we will keep on pressing and keep on fighting.
In the final third, Atkinson made some terrible decision. I think you guys could tactically change him early and put on those two that you change the game with and get a goal. What's your thought on that?
I wouldn't say his decision makings were badly. I mean, he was truly in the game. It just didn't happen for him tonight. But we wish him all the best. Hopefully he can get on the score sheet because he really wants to score and he really wants to see the team go forward.
Thank you very much, and I hope you'll fix those problems for the more matches coming.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Respect.